Prepare garlic arrows through a meat grinder for the winter, an unusual seasoning and appetizer for meat dishes. Spicy and fragrant garlic arrows are prepared for the future and are well stored in the refrigerator all winter. Prepare all the ingredients. Cut the flower stalks from the garlic arrows with scissors or a knife. Wash the garlic arrows and cut them into medium pieces with a knife so that they fit into a meat grinder. Scroll the arrows through the meat grinder to get a thick mass. Mix the arrows with the salt. Pour over the oil and mix again. Fill clean sterile jars with garlic mass, tamping tightly so that there is no air left. Close the jar with a lid and put it in the refrigerator for storage until winter. The output is 1 jar with a volume of 200 grams. Bon appétit!